Hello friends, welcome you all in Sarma English classes. My dear friend, today I'll be discussing regarding creativity and innovation. Creativity is a function of knowledge, curiosity, imagination, evaluation. The greater your knowledge base and level of curiosity, the more ideas, patterns and combinations you can achieve, which them correlates to creating new and innovative products and services. But merely having the knowledge does not guarantee the formation of new patterns. The bits and pieces must be shaken up and iterated in new ways. Creativity is an input to innovation, and change is the output. What is creativity and what is innovation? Creativity is the capability or act of conceiving something original or unusual. Innovation is the implementation of something new. Invention is the creation of something that has never been made before and is recognized as a product of some unique insight. How they bring success? The more creative and innovative you and your team members are, the more long term success you will achieve. So, rather than constantly chase the next big idea in your industry, bring creativity and innovation to what you are currently doing. When you do, you will be regarded as an industry innovator, the one your competitor is trying to copy, or your old competitor will be trying to copy you. Out of box thinking, thinking out of box, beyond the box, outside the box means think differently, unconventionally, or from new perspective. To think outside the box is to look further and to try not thinking obvious things rather than something different which you have never thought before. Lateral thinking, my dear friends, what does it mean of lateral? Lateral thinking is a manner of solving problems using an indirect and creative approach via reasoning that is not immediately obvious. It involves ideas and may not be obtainable using only traditional step by step logic. Small idea, big change. If we think about it, some of the smallest ideas are those that spread the most happiness or change the most. Or small idea, big change would be an awesome project to do with my students. Maybe I'll make it a design thinking project after analyzing if I'm involving my students to do something different and they are going to make something different. It means that is bigger than that. That will be a small idea is coming, a big change is coming. So we have to bring change by using small things. Or I must say, we should experiment some sort of thing. The life will be learning and making something big which we have never thought before. How we can go and make ourselves creative and innovative? My dear friend, inspire yourself. You need to go and inspire yourself. Inspiration can be from your inner core, inspiration can be from external core, or you are watching something, you are listening something, reading something, someone is telling you, any ideal person is telling you. By that you can inspire yourself and you can do this sort of work in terms of creativity and innovation. Great devotion. If you are dedicated to do something, if you have great devotion, if you are devoted to learn something, do something, you are completely involving yourself in that particular project, particular work, obviously you are going to be creative as well as innovative. Happiness. If you are happy, if you don't have any type of stress on your mind, if you are feeling comfortable, happiness on your face, obviously new ideas will be coming in your mind. You will be inspiring, you will be dedicating, you will be having great determination because you are so much happy. Happy minds catches a lot of ideas. Have fun. If you are going to have fun, suppose you would like to watch a movie, by that you are creating some ideas. You are going to do some sort of things, by that you are going to enjoy maybe soothing music. You are going to listen soothing music, or any other pattern can be used. Maybe you are going to swim, by that you are having fun, you are keeping your mind free, you are keeping your mind in the relaxed mode. Obviously you are going to create something after that. Good ideas, if you are having good ideas, if sometimes it is spoken or said by people, if you are sitting with a good company, obviously good ideas will be coming, will be generated in your, I think, generated or produced in your mind. Oh, sometimes it happens, good ideas comes when you be the part of good people. So you need to think good, be good, and create some good sort of things. Chat with meet, if you are getting involved yourself in talking, but that talking is creative talk, that talking is very productive talk, that talking is obviously going to influence you in terms of doing something different, in terms of giving you opportunity, and you are going to bring that change in your life in terms of creating something different. It means you have to chat with your friends, where you are going to use, you are going to invest your time over there, where people are going to do something different. Be single minded, if you are keeping your focus on a single target, like take the example of Arjuna, he kept his main attention on the particular goal, and ultimately he got success in that. Everywhere, whatever the task is being done, you please keep main focus on the particular thing. If you are dubious minded, double minded, or you are having multilateral thinking simultaneously, you would not be going to keep yourself focus, or you are not, you are going to shift your mind. You need to keep your mind on particular one target. After accomplishing or after achieving that, you need to shift, or you need to set another target. Next, choose a favorable environment. Environment is very important. Sometimes it is spoken, wherever we are living, if we are living in a good environment, obviously we are being affected by good environment in terms of sitting with good people, living with good people, exchanging ideas with good people. We are recharging ourselves. It means these are important factors which I am telling you. You can do this, so many ideas will be coming. If you are living at peaceful place, obviously some ideas will be coming. But if you are living in a polluted area, you are living in an area where a lot of people are living over there, so a lot of noise is over there, you are not getting even a single second to keep your mind free, or keep your mind fit in terms of gaining something, creating something. So you can't do something. Environment is very important. If you are getting good competitive environment, you are getting, obviously you are going to encourage yourself, yeah, I should do something. Same it happens when we are going at peaceful places. Have you ever read some stories of some poets? Whenever they used to write some poet, they used to go in the remote area where they never found anybody else over there. For what they used to go? For meditating, for keeping they focus on particular target, whatever the target they designed or they decided for them. So my dear friends, these sort of things are important. Atmosphere is really very important. So you need to create positive atmosphere. Thank you very much. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.